Hey guys, what's up? My Milers family. So today is a very snowy day. So today I'm not around the steering wheel. I'm the GFR, so yeah. We're gonna see what's going on these streets, even though they say we should stay out the street, but you know sometimes we need on the road. Yo, play a seat then.
You know, I'm not going to see and tell me if you put on.
Okay, sorry. I'm put on the seat. Okay, you see? I'm the one that was practicing safety first, and I'm the last one to put on my seatbelt. So I'm gonna put my seatbelt on, and let's see what's going on these streets, huh? So we are in our community, and it's crazy here. And the snow is all up to our necks. Look at them piles of snow, and people are snowing. Plowing their snow. That car is well covered. Yes. So I'm not gonna tell you name of this road. Right? Yeah, not gonna tell you. So I want you guys to comment in the comment section and tell me if it's cold or it is warm in your area, wherever you are. Let's go. Look, it's an all-white party. All-white party. All-white party. Alright, let me crack this window a little bit so you can see. Look. Oh my word. My friend has on snow tire, so he's bossy. Yeah. Okay, round and round and round. Oh, guys, it is all-white party. Look at it. Look at the view, guys. Look at the view. 18 inches, 20 some 18 to 20 inches. No, it's more than that. Yes, so it's 3:03 p.m. in the first state, Delaware. Yes, and that's the military academy on a Sunday afternoon. Right now it's freezing rain falling, right? So feels nothing. I have to roll my window up because it's coming inside. Everyone is inside. Everyone is inside. No one is on the streets. Washington Avenue and Duck Creek Road. Ta-da! Providence Creek Academy Charter School is over there. But this dude is driving too fast in the snow, so I can't get to see stuff, you know? But he's a good driver, so he knows what he's doing. Until he gets stuck. And that's the next story, huh? Yeah. Yo, you wanna climb that? You wanna climb it with me, guys? Yes, you. Let's start a movie and climb this thing right here. Hudson Street right there, and we're still on Duck Creek. Walk. Yonder Drive, right there. This is a factory, but I don't know what they do over there, to be honest with you. But I can tell that's a factory. That's a parking lot. But they vacate it. It normally is a 24-hour, but they closed down, I think. Yes, because normally that's a parking lot for the employees. Okay. Ready to eat, man. Yeah. And let's see what's going on these streets. The streets are empty. Earlier they said that everyone should, it's a state of emergency, so everyone should stay off the streets. Yeah, we are essential workers, so we're gonna have to do, we're going to do some, we're doing some work right now by videoing. There's a man, someone there videoing over there. He's plowing snow. Drink coffee, not snow, eh? Yeah. Okay. We are essential vloggers, so we are doing our thing. That's Clayton Elementary School over there on a Sunday. Those are the Clayton Elementary School buses. Let me pull them up for you there, right there. Okay. Elementary school buses, yeah. Bum 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 bum. Now, this is a bad snowstorm. I heard some places like Colorado they have no power. I'm happy that we still have our power because that's all I'm really worried about. No electricity, you know. Because with no electricity, no heat. And we are heading onto Wheatley Pond Road. And if you go left, that will take you to Smyrna. If you go right, that take you to Kenton. We are going right, but we're not gonna reach Kenton. All right, so let's go right. You see, there's no cars on the road. The only cars on the road is this one right here. But like I said before, we are essential workers. There's a vehicle coming. Hope it's not a cop, you know. But we can tell him our grandma got stuck and we're going to help. Bum 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 bum. It's a cop? No man, that's somebody. Another essential worker. Going about their way, yeah? Hey look, the pond is frozen.
Bunny bird.
Eh?
Bunny bird.
Hey bird, them.
They duck them.
Oh, they duck them. Them frozen too. Duck them too, but them cold. You know, find a house without address, without. Can go fast if you want to. There's no time away.
No, seriously, I'm going to go for some
Anything, man. Okay, guys. See? There's no one outside. The only people that are outside is those who are removing snow and these two essential workers here in this car. Yeah. If you're essential worker, just put in the comments section essential. Doesn't matter where you are on this planet, just put essential. Alright? I'm gonna put essential too. This is how the streets should be 90% of the time. Just we. Right? Including you. Yes. It's a mini truck there. Yeah. Okay. Go over there. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun. Alright. Another essential worker here. Essential! Woohoo! So we're passing by Providence Crossing community. One of these I'm going to give you guys a tour. So once you see a vehicle, it's an essential work, alright? Because only us supposed to be on the streets today. Alright, so keep that in mind. Essential. Can you hear it? That's freezing rain. Sounds like someone is throwing pebbles on the windshield. See? Look at the horse. He's freezing. He's frozen. Oh, Papa. Yo, where are the... The entire place is white. All white part. Well, there's some green. Sugar bears. Flow truck. Oh my. Damn. Right, so our turn is coming up. Gonna be a turn, right?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna tell you guys goodbye and see. Yo, you pass the turn. You pass the turn, Bridget. No,
Things aside, me and my see it right there. So.
you pass right where you see the red and thing there. Fire passing turn. Wow, people, this road seems like they plowed once and didn't touch it again. It's not looking good. Well, luckily we're driving our Jeep, our Nissan Jeep. Just kidding, guys. But we're wearing snow tires, So we're good. But this road, yeah, they're barely doing plowing on this road. Look over there, look. Ooh, like a sea of white. See? See? He's doing. Yes, Papa, stay over there. Oh, go on, sir. Hold him, Rennie. I don't touch. Yo, they didn't plow this road at all. Damn, guys, look at this. Ready? Put it in a low. You cannot do that little bit. Yo, guys, we're almost stuck. But we're not gonna stop. Yo, they didn't plow this road. It's crazy. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Look there. Alright guys, it's getting rough, so we're gonna have to call it a day. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. I have more to come. More. Thank you for liking my video, subscribe, alright, and have a wonderful day. And whoever is in the snow areas, please stay safe. Alrighty, ciao.